Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is Vlogmas day 1. It's officially Vlogmas. It's officially December 1st. That means this year is my first Vlogmas. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I just woke up. I look a little rough. Today is counter day at Bath & Body Works. It's currently 12:53. I'm running a little late. I go in at 2. I'm gonna go get ready. I just brushed my teeth and I did my hair and did all that. My battery's flashing, but I'm just gonna give you a little rundown of what's gonna happen today. Today it's gonna be a working day. I'm gonna go to work. When I get out of work, it's gonna be a cleaning day for me because my room is a mess. Look at this. It's a huge mess. Yep, a huge mess. I'm gonna go get ready and I'll update you guys when I get to my car. Yay! Boom. I just changed and I got ready and now we're heading out the door. We're gonna head to work and yeah, let's go. I'm also gonna charge my Apple Watch in the car because it's a little dead. To my room. I forgot my water, but it's fine. It's a little bright. Watch me struggle. Alrighty! Sorry, there was people watching me and I'm not comfortable vlogging in front of people yet. But we'll eventually get there. My freaking heater is on. There we go. So I'm gonna charge my Apple Watch. God. Alrighty, we're gonna head to work. I brought my battery for my camera because it's a little dead. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna head to work. So basically all my vlogs are gonna consist of me working because that's all I do. I just work. So let's jam out. Should we start listening to Christmas music now or jam out to some bops? Jam out to some bops or should we jam out to some bops? I think we should jam out to some bops. I hope you guys don't fall. Even no one's gonna. This video is gonna consist of me struggling and driving at the same time, which is not safe. So I'm gonna turn right here and I'm gonna hold the camera. Ready? 1. Hold on. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, somebody's okay. I'm good. I'm good. That way with the music. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to cross it to the end. Okay, so the struggle when coming to work is always finding parking because it's literally Saturday and most of you guys know I work at the outlet and this is like such a bad angle. Saturdays and Sundays is when everybody is like shopping. So the struggle for me is always finding parking. Who's next? I'm next. Oh. Okay, go for it. Okay, we almost crashed and my camera just fell. It's always like a big struggle to find parking. Like it literally, one time it took me up to 30 minutes and I was 10 minutes late to work. Hello? Happy Vlogmas day 1. I was trying to say, I just got to work. I'm getting ready to go onto the floor. And I'll update you guys in a bit. It's really crazy as you saw by that clip. Wish me luck. And happy candle day. go. I'll update you guys later. Bye. Righty, as you saw by all that craziness, it's freaking crazy out there. I've been sitting with the register for like 5 hours already. I just went on break. I just finished my break and I'm about to go out on that floor again. Wish me luck and I'll update you guys later. We just finished and we're a little stressed.
Cecilia, Caravana, Sam.
We cleaned up the whole store, but now it's a little dirty. I mean, what? I'm a little sister tired. We're a little sister stocked up. Alright, I'm here at Taco Cabana getting something to eat. And yeah, before we go on with the video, I hope you guys like that intro. I worked super hard on making that intro. What else? Today was Canada Day at Bath & Body Works. You saw all the craziness. Like I said before in the video, this my vlogs are gonna consist of me working, because all I do is go to school, go to work, clean my room, eat and sleep, and it's just repeat. But I'm here at Taco Cabana getting something to eat because I haven't eaten all day. I just got a little 30-minute break and all I ate were a cupcake and some nachos and some water. So that's what I'm running with right now. So I'm gonna eat something from Taco Cabana, not something heavy. I just got a small quesadilla with the Sprite because I don't want to eat too much. So we're gonna get home, we're gonna eat, and I'm gonna do a time lapse of cleaning my home room because it's a freaking mess. Like, it looks like somebody, like, Bath & Body Works threw up all in there, because that's all you see. So that's what we're going to be doing when I get home. I hope you guys are liking my first vlog. Like, this is my actual vlog. Like, I'm like, oh my god, I need a vlog. Like, those time lapses that I showed you at work, like, I was like, oh, I need a vlog. And then I would, like, at one point when I was doing that table, I literally pressed record, and it wasn't recording. I was so freaking pissed, because I wanted you guys to see building that. So I'm gonna get my food and then we're gonna go back to my dorm. Hello.
We had the small chicken pancakes deal. We go large chips and queso, small sorry.
Yes, do y'all do a student discount?
So those would be 10.88.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Is there sour cream in the bag?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you. There better be. Yepers. Good job. I'm proud of ya. Let me catch my breath. I made it in. Okay, I made it in safe. And let me just show you my room. Look how messy it is. I'm about to eat. Look at this. Look at this. It's a freaking wreck. It's a freaking wreck. Freaking wreck. I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna take a shower, and then we're gonna do a time lapse, and then we're gonna go to sleep because I'm really tired, but I have to clean my room. Okay, I'll update you guys in a bit. Everything that I did. It is 2:12 o'clock a.m. I cleaned my whole room because I was literally just gonna fall asleep, but I couldn't sleep with all that mess that you saw. So I am gonna go take a shower, head to sleep, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed my Vlogmas Day 1. I'm really excited to jump on this Vlogmas journey. Let's see where every day this takes. It's kind of like a video diary. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like seeing what it's like working at Bath & Body Works when we close, the craziness that you saw. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog overall. And let me just show you before I end this video, let me just show you how many candles I got. Because I kind of got a lot. I think it's like, it's a problem that I have. So let me show you really quick. I don't think you're ready. Okay, ready? Okay, here it goes. Yepers, I stocked up on my candles. Yes, it's a lot. Please don't mind that. So I organize them like up with the white barn, and then I do like stress, like the aromatherapy, then I do like seasons, and then I just do like random ones. But this is all my candle collection. This is all my hand sanitizers, and here is some more stuff. And then again, oh my god, I can't even close this. There you go. And then I got my soaps. Let me show you my collection before I end this video. My soaps are all in here. I don't think I'm gonna be needing any soaps anytime soon. So these are all my soaps, and these are all my shower gels. So that's my little collection. Alrighty, so that is all I have for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a new vlog. Bye!